teacher Ambreen from class PG Nursery. My dears, I know that you all are doing good and having a great time at home. I have a very small activity for you. So, my dears, in this activity we are going to circle the beginning sound of each picture. We are going to move on to the book. And there I have so many colorful pictures for you. So you just have to find out the beginning sound of each picture and we are going to circle it. So now let's move on to the book. My dears, you have to take out your English reading book, page number 5, and let's do this activity with me. Firstly, we have to read the caption. The caption is saying that circle the beginning sound of each picture. This is a picture of an apple. Apple. A. The beginning sound is A. So, we know that the letter A makes the sound A and the letter B makes the sound B. So, we will go with A. Because apple beginning sound is A. We have to circle it. A. Apple. Next we have a picture of a ball. It's a ball. The beginning sound is B. Ball. This is letter B. The letter B makes the sound B. This is letter F and the letter F makes the sound F. So, ball or football? It's ball. We have to circle the letter B. Next we have the picture of a car. It's a car. A car or car? It's car. So, we have to circle the letter C as the letter C makes the sound K. Car. Next, we have a picture of a dog. You have to remember the sound of the beginning sound of the letter D. D, dog. It's the letter B. B makes the sound B, but it's not like B. It's giving the sound D. Dog. So we have to circle D. Next we have the picture of an ant. It's ant. It's the letter D. D makes the sound D. And it's the letter A. A makes the sound A. So we have to circle ant. Next we have bat. Bat. Not bat. It's bat. So the B is the sound of the letter B. We have to circle B here. Very good. Let's revise this with me. A. Apple. B. Ball. Car, dog, ant, bat. Very good, my dears. It's your turn to do this activity at home. Thank you so very much.